70% polycarbonate, 20% silicone, 8% thermoplastic elastomer, 2% polyurethane. Imported. Finish fog-free and in gold with the most advanced anti-fog protection ever. Swipe anti-fog technology extends the life of your goggles by restoring the anti-fog protection to pristine condition. When goggles become foggy, activate the revolutionary Swipe anti-fog protective film by gently swiping the inner lenses 5 times with your fingertip while the goggles are in the water. The existing anti-fog treatment in Arena's Cobra family of goggles is already one of the best available, but you can now keep that out-of-the-box new goggle feeling 10 times longer. Wide vision and maximum comfort at top speed with mirror lenses. Hard mirror polycarbonate lens includes 3 adjustable nose bridges, small, medium and large, for tailored fit and lens gasket placement. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent comfortable goggles. I already own 2 pairs of Arena Cobra Elite goggles with mirror and blue lenses. I really like the Cobra Elites, but the arm which attaches to the strap can be squeezed when streamlining, with the upper arms next to the head, causing the seal around the eyes to be lost and the goggles to leak. With the Cobra Core there is no such problem, because there is no arm between the goggles and the strap. I bought the black ones with yellow lenses. I think they are sold as Generivo Noir or something like that. I wore them indoors and really liked them because they didn't have much tint, which is great for dimly lit pools. I am always very careful when selecting lens colors because some of the darker tints are really bad for indoor swimming, but this selection was fine. There was no leaking or fogging, and the only thing I noticed when wearing them was a yellow glow along the bottom of my vision, but I forgot about this after a few lengths. Overall, they are an excellent comfortable goggle. I will update the review if I find any flaws after some more wear.